Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to install the Oracle extension for GeoServer. You can find it here on the GeoServer page under vector formats. You want to be sure that you're installing it for your version. Very important. Okay, and because Tomcat is running as user Tomcat, we want to make sure that we install the extension as that user. Okay, so let's switch to user Tomcat, and we want to go to the GeoServer lib directory, and now let's use wget to download the extension from the GeoServer site. Copy link address. Go ahead and unzip that. Okay, and now we have downloaded the extension, and let's go ahead and restart Tomcat for the changes to take effect in GeoServer. And now if you go to Stores, Add New Store, we see that Oracle is now available as a vector data source. Okay, if we go to Stores, Add New Store, Oracle NG, and select the workspace that we want the store to be available in. I created a workspace called Oracle. I'm going to select that. Okay, and give your data source a name. I'm calling mine Oracle Con, and a description. And for the connection parameters, the connection string for the pluggable database I'm connecting to is orc.cytocorp.com port 1521/PDB1 cytocorp.com. And for hosts, we're going to just put in the host name orc.cytocorp.com port 1521. And for database, we're going to put in pdb1.cytocorp.com and include that / in the database name for a pluggable database. Schema is not required, but you should populate schema. If you don't, it's going to return objects outside of the user schema. And the Oracle username and Oracle password, and scroll down and click Save. Okay, and we see that the connection has returned a list of layers from our Oracle database that we can now publish to GeoServer.